In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Afterpay with your Acuity scheduling. This guide will unfold over the next few minutes, offering you a clear, step-by-step tutorial on making your Acuity scheduling even more versatile and customer-friendly by incorporating Afterpay as a payment option. So, if you're looking to provide your customers with the flexibility of paying for your services in installments, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, we need to navigate to the Acuity scheduling website. This is your starting point for integrating Afterpay into your scheduling system. Once you're on the Acuity scheduling homepage, your next action is to log into your account. Look for the login option and click on it. This step is pretty straightforward. Upon clicking the login, you're prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you input the email address associated with your Acuity account to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, you'll be asked to proceed to the next step by clicking the Next button. Here, Acuity lays out a couple of ways to log in, but for our purpose, we'll focus on the Continue with Google option. Clicking this allows you to log in using your Google account, streamlining the process. Make sure you select the Google account that is linked to your Acuity scheduling. Now, with the login process out of the way, we're moving on to the nitty-gritty part of integrating Afterpay into your Acuity scheduling. To do this, you'll need to access your payment settings within Acuity. There's a direct link to this page, but generally you can find it by navigating the Acuity dashboard. Once you're in the payment settings, here's where the magic happens. You won't be connecting Afterpay directly to Acuity. Instead, you'll connect Afterpay to either Stripe or Square, and then connect that account to Acuity. It's an indirect method, but incredibly effective. This process ensures that you can offer Afterpay as a payment option for your services, providing more flexibility for your customers. Here's how to make that connection. Look for the option to connect your Stripe or Square account within the payment settings. There's a link there, and upon clicking it, you'll be guided through a seamless integration process. This step effectively bridges your Afterpay account with Acuity scheduling through either Stripe or Square, ensuring that everything is set up correctly for you to start offering Afterpay as a payment option to your clients. To recap, the process involves logging into your Acuity account, accessing the payment settings, and then connecting Afterpay to Stripe or Square before finally integrating that into your Acuity scheduling. It may sound like a few extra steps, but this methodology ensures a smooth, hassle-free setup. Once done, you'll have added a modern, flexible payment option that could significantly enhance how your clients interact with your services and potentially drive more bookings. Before wrapping up, I want to share a couple of tips to ensure a smooth integration process. Firstly, make sure that your Stripe or Square account is fully set up and operational before attempting the connection to Acuity. And secondly, check your Afterpay account settings to ensure that everything is in order there as well. This proactive approach will save you time and prevent potential hiccups during the integration process. To summarize, by following these steps carefully, you're not just enhancing your Acuity scheduling system, you're also providing a convenient, flexible payment option that can cater to a wider range of customer preferences. Afterpay can be a fantastic addition to your payment options, making your services more accessible to clients who prefer installment payments. And that wraps up our guide on how to integrate Afterpay with Acuity scheduling. We've taken you through the entire process from logging into Acuity, navigating to payment settings, and connecting your Afterpay through Stripe or Square. Remember, the goal is to provide convenience and flexibility to your clients, and by incorporating Afterpay, you're doing just that. Thanks for joining me today. Feel free to rewatch any sections if you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Happy scheduling, and here's to offering your clients the best possible experience.